We are on our way to Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. Finally, today the skies is blue, the weather is good.
Have a good one while the stars shine above.
Okay, we have reached the Bukit Timah Nature Reserve.
When the sun comes up.
So we are at the Wallace Trail. Walking towards very peaceful place.
See you in the morning when the sun comes up.
Started from 1819. Wow. Timeline of when this is built. Face to face with the cow.
Just laughing it up, yeah, laughing it up. Life's so sweet, I'm in a sugary dream. My steps shining like a diamond, that's sweet and white. I should turn away, but I just can't hide. My belly's dropped to chubby, it's tough, yeah, sorry. But this food can't deny. Good beats, I can't hold my ground, even though these pounds keep weighing me down. Just laughing it up, yeah, laughing it up. Life's so sweet, I'm in a sugary dream. My steps shining like a diamond, that's sweet and white. I should turn away, but I just can't hide. Show off their slim little pose, crying out loud, pushing.
Now he got weapon already.
I'll make a start. A healthy life, yeah, I'll play my part. Yeah, laughing it up, those treats in sight, but health is the road, I'll make it right. My belly's not too chubby, it's tough, yeah, I sigh. Weight on my mind, but this food can't deny. In front of good eats, I can't hold my ground.
Very slow. This is a slope actually. Oh yeah. So now he very unhappy because I took away his weapon. See his face.
Yeah, laughing. Bird on a branch, diddle dee dee ba ba boo boo boo. High in a tree, diddle dee doo ba 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 ba. Bird on a branch, diddle dee dee ba ba boo boo.
Carrying this boy.
Listen to the bird go cheep, 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 cheep. Join nest with lots of twigs. Make it big enough for your chicks. They will chirp and they will squabble. Bring the worms for them to gobble, gobble. Bird on a branch, diddle dee dee ba boo boo boo. Tree diddle dee doo.
This is a slope. Wow, some jogging up the slope.
Got to keep the magpies away so your babies
Everybody okay?
can rest today. Yes, your nest is very
I'm very okay.
high above the ground.
Peter's super okay.
Bird on a branch,
We are still making our way to the quarry. The quarry is about 1.6 to 1.7 kilometers from the destination we started. So we are still walking. 哎呦，
黄沙环碧垂，雪山八景照，落寞山高，一如花的裙子过了白腰。
哎呦，哎呦，
Come on, Peter. Come on. Yes, this is a bit upslope. Hi, come, Peter. Come on. Wow, come, come. Come on. Come on, man. Let's do it. Come on. He's tired. Every one of us is tired as well. We are 250 meters away. Yes, we have reached the quarry. Yeah. Finally, we reached yay, the quarry. Yay. Oh.
OK，
他看着我打他也睡了。
走在这条路上，梦都发了芽，风的拥抱把烦恼带走。蝴蝶舞动，抚平我心头。星光在远方闪，夜里的微光。手牵着手走过宁静的时光。风啊，你听见吗？我心中